Welcome to Read It Again. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy this book. It's Pumpkin Time, written by Zoe Hall, illustrated by Shari Halpern. All summer long, my brother and I get ready for our favorite holiday. Can you guess what it is? Seeds. Halloween! And can you guess what we do to get ready? We plant a jack-o'-lantern patch. First, I turn the soil with the shovel, and my brother uses a spade to dig narrow rows just 1 inch deep. Then we drop in pumpkin seeds and cover them with soil. We water them and wait for the sun to warm them. Before long, the seeds grow tiny roots, and small green shoots poke up out of the ground. The shoots grow into vines, and the vines grow longer. Every week, we water them and pull up lots of weeds. Soon, we see buds where flowers will bloom. The yellow flowers show us where our pumpkins will grow. At first, the pumpkins are green and tiny. But they grow bigger and bigger. Soon it is fall, and our great big pumpkins change color from green to yellow to orange. Now they are ready to be picked. We have never grown such big pumpkins. Mom and Dad help us cut the pumpkins from the vines. We gather them in a wheelbarrow and take them home. It's Halloween at last. We draw faces on our pumpkins, and Mom and Dad help us cut them, hollow them out, and light candles inside. Now they are jack-o'-lanterns. This one is my favorite. Can you guess what we do next? We put on our costumes. It's time to trick or treat. Happy Halloween! The end. Thank you so much for listening and following along. If you like this book, please give it a thumbs up and come back soon to read it again.